Dear friends, in these trying times, I have taken it upon myself to leave the city and rediscovered nature. Please, come, take a walk with me. Nature. A man of the city, alone. I am one with Mother Earth. Returning to the forest after decades of bustling city life feels right. Dirt. My feet in the dirt. This is dirty. Is this gonna wash off? Give me nature. Better than money. Better than fame, than a nice car. Give me truth. How vain it feels to sit at a desk when you have not stood up to live. Nature is liberating. Nature is free. I paid nothing to get in here. I just sort of walked in. Maybe they charged me on the way out? The city traps your mind, confines your body to a jungle of skyscrapers, of twisted steel. In nature, trees are the buildings, and trees are not made of steel. Trees are made of bark? Is it called bark? No, that's not it. Nature has been here since I was born, and it will be here long after I die. A babbling brook. Do I go in it? A waterfall? Okay. No way this is free. All this nature, everywhere you look, nature surrounds, engulfs. I'm gonna go in it.